Let's unbox. We have Sony RS3S speaker, and then we have the Sony S3 subwoofer, and of course our A3000 soundbar. Let's unbox. We have two plugs, paperwork, and our two cuties. Yay! Here they are. Yeah. What? I did not expect that this is the actual size of this subwoofer. It's really huge. Let's take a look. Let's look at the back side where we can find the ports. We only have link and power on, and then that's it. Let's proceed to the soundbar. Oh, I have a lot in here. I have remotes, the cords, and a lot of stuff. Finally, my soundbar, an upgrade. Woo! It's really, really, really wide. It's wider than my old soundbar. Yeah. Look at that. My old soundbar looks really tiny. So for the soundbar, we have the button, and we can find all the parts over here. That's it, guys. Bye.